Number 1. Cosori 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze. Air Fryer 6 Cute. Tired of greasy pans and lingering deep fryer smells? Struggling with unevenly cooked food in cold centers? Long cooking times, crowding your busy weeknight dinners? Cleaning sticky baskets and stubborn oil stains takes forever. Small appliances can't handle family portions or meal prep. The Turbo Blaze 5-speed airflow delivers rapid, even heat circulation. Precise 90 to 450 to 80 of control ensures perfect texture every time. Premium ceramic coating is non-stick, durable, and dishwasher safe. 6-quart square basket fits family meals, saves countertop space. Quieter motor under 53 dB creates a peaceful kitchen environment. Auto resume safety pauses when basket removed. Resumes previous settings. Customizable preheat optimizes results or skips for convenience. Enjoy crispy favorites using up to 95% less oil. Faster cook times mean more family dinners on busy nights. Dishwasher safe parts and included recipe book simplify cooking and cleanup.